Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel MindSpark. Today's topic is Introduction to Trigonometry. I am going to do the exercise 8.1. Okay, so the first question is, in a triangle, okay, triangle ABC, right angled at B. So every line you have to study properly. Okay, so read the question carefully. 2 times you should read the question and then analyze it. Okay, so where it is right angle at B. AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, and determine sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. So first of all, you should draw the diagram. Okay, what is the figure? That is where is the right angle triangle? At B. Right angle at B. So it's a compulsory that you should put B at 90 degrees. Then A and C. What is AB is given? What is given you should write there. Okay. So AB is equal to how much? 24 centimeter. And BC is how much? 7 centimeter. Okay. So BC is equal to 7 centimeter and AB is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay. So here, before solving this problem, you can write the table. I given table last class, previous episodes. You can see that last table, that is sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is what? Cosecant theta. Okay. Reciprocal of cos theta is what? Secant theta. And reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Okay. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, and cos theta is base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is perpendicular by base. Okay. So here, suppose you take, for example, you are solving for sin angle A. So sin A, if you are thinking about A angle, then near to this angle, the side near to this angle A, this is angle A. Okay. Near to this side angle is your adjacent side, that is AB, which is also we call it as base. Okay, we also call it as base. And opposite to this angle, this is the opposite side or perpendicular. So this is your perpendicular, this is your base. When they ask about angle A, sin A means you have to concentrate on angle A. Near to the angle is, again I am repeating, near to the angle is your adjacent side or the base, that is AB is near to angle A. Then opposite to angle A is your BC is your opposite side, or we can call it as perpendicular. Okay. Now, and 90 degree, opposite to 90 degree is your hypotenuse. Now once you get all the say trigonometrical ratios, if you get all the sides, okay, once you name it and recognize which is base, which is hypotenuse, and which is your perpendicular. Once you know this, then you can easily write all the relation. But hypotenuse we don't know. So what you should do? You should apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem states? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay. So remember, every time you should remember, repeat. So this is maths is about all about repetitions. The more you repeat, easy to learn. Okay, and it should be in a sequential manner, systematic way. If you learn, it's very easy subject, and you will enjoy for the further episodes. Okay, you can see here hypotenuse. Now I told you, what is AC is equal to? AC is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is your Pythagoras theorem. You are applying Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is nothing but your hypotenuse. Okay. Hypotenuse square is equal to AB is how much? 24 square. BC is how much? 7 square. Okay. What is 24 square? 24 square is 24 into 24. Okay. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. You will get 576. Okay. So it is 576 plus 49. Okay, so that is your hypotenuse square. So if you add these two, we'll add these two, 576 and 49. How much you'll get? 625. Okay, when you add, you're going to get 625. When you remove this square, no, you'll get square root, and square root of 625 is 25. In the previous videos, I have shown you how to solve this square root. Okay, you can see my videos there. Okay, and h is equal to how much you get? You get 25. So 25 centimeter is your hypotenuse. Okay. Now once you get all the dimensions, okay, AB, AC and BC, now it is easy to find out the relation. Now coming to finding the trigonometrical ratios, say they are asking for sin A. So when you want to solve sin A, the relation is perpendicular by hypotenuse. But this perpendicular with respect to angle A. Angle A perpendicular, that is opposite side, is BC. So you should write BC by hypotenuse is AC. Is it clear? So opposite to this angle is your perpendicular. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Then what is BC? How much is BC? BC is 7. 7 by, and what is AC? AC is 25. So your answer for sin A is 7 by 25. Very, very simple. Don't worry about this. Okay. Only you have to remember the table and the relation. Okay. What is sin A? It's perpendicular by hypotenuse. You should remember all this. That's all. If you know this table, then you can write. And be careful what angle they are asking. Okay. Sin A means, then you have to see. You have to concentrate on sin A angle. Okay. Next, what is cos A? Again, with respect to, you are thinking about A. Then with respect to A, which is base, which is near to the, which side is near to the A, that is AB is the adjacent side. So adjacent side by hypotenuse. So that is base by hypotenuse. What is base? Base is nothing but AB by hypotenuse, AC. How much is AB? AB is 24 by 25. So you get cos A is equal to 24 by 25. So I found out sin A and cos A. You can take screenshot. Okay. Shall I rub? So next what they are asking is, sin A and cos A is solved. Okay. Is it clear for you? Yeah. Next is sin C and cos C. I will solve for that. Okay. So next is, the triangle remains same. The triangle remains same. But now when you concentrate on angle C, then what happens? The opposite side will be opposite to C. That will be, this will be, say AB will be perpendicular. Okay. Or opposite side. AB is the opposite side. And near to the C is, this is your adjacent side or base. Is it clear? Near to C, because they are asking about sin C and cos C. Then we should concentrate on angle C. Angle C near to the side, near to the angle C is your base. And angle opposite, the side opposite to angle C is your opposite side or perpendicular AB. Clear? So you have to be very clear with your diagram. Okay. Now coming to find out sin C. What is sin C? Sin C is equal to, now perpendicular. Now the perpendicular is changed. Okay. This diagram is like perpendicular by hypotenuse. So now what is perpendicular? So it is AB by AC. Okay. How much is AB? AB is 24 by 24. Then cos C. Cos C is equal to what? Cos C is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay. Say base by hypotenuse. Okay. It's clear, easy. So you have BC by AC. What is BC? How much is BC? It is 7. Okay. 7 by 24. Okay. So this problem I have solved. Okay. First, this question, what is very important is right angled at B. So it is compulsory at B you should make 90 degrees. Okay. Then then you have to concentrate on which angle they are asking. If they are asking for A, then you should concentrate on A, and you should find out which is, and before that you should find out hypotenuse. Hypotenuse, how are we going to find out? We are going to find out by using Pythagoras theorem, and you can use that relation and get the hypotenuse. Once you get all the relations, then you can find various trigonometrical ratios. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.